This is what you sound like driving down the road in your car using your speakerphone on your iPhone. You ever driving down the street in your car, talking on your phone, thinking, I don't understand why this person doesn't think I sound good. So that's what you sound like driving down the street. This is what it sounds like if you're driving down the road and you're using a studio quality USB mic, which sounds like it doesn't exist, but this Apogee Hyper mic is pretty sweet. And this is what it sounds like if you put that same Apogee mic into a isolation thingy-jig that you can get that makes the room sound a lot quieter, even if it is quiet. Either way, this whole thing was recorded in my Buick. I love doing voiceover in my Buick. It's just something fun to do. It's not where I do anything too professional, but it's not too unprofessional either. I hope you have a good day.